So we cannot live without eating food. We have to eat food in order to survive. But the quality of the food which we eat determines how long we will be able to live in this world. Because if you're eating food of poor quality, your life would end quickly. But if you're eating healthy and nutritious food item, which is good for the body, then the body will be able to keep you alive for long. So you have to eat the right food. So in this video, I'm going to talk about the fruits and nuts which you can eat, right? So that you will be able to survive for a long period of time. I just bought these nuts from the store, and a lot of nuts are available, right? And I really love almonds, cashew nuts, pistachios, as well as walnuts, and these are so essential for survival. Okay, so let me open this up and show you what's inside this. We have almonds, we have pistachios, dry grapes, as well as cashew nuts. So these, nuts together cost 477 rupees. That's what is given here. Okay, 477 rupees. It's the total cost of these nuts, and it's given in this box. You have to open this box in order to know how does each and every one of these nuts taste. So let me open it. Okay, it's sellotaped. So let me open this up. Figure out what is inside this. So this is what is inside. Okay, so you have almonds, cashew nut, pistachios are on the shell. We have to open that. Pistachio, as well as dry grapes. Really delicious. In addition to this, if you can eat walnuts, it's going to be really beneficial for your body. So this is what I got. Okay, if you want, you can also buy this from any fruits and nuts store, and I'll put down a link in the description below this video if you wanted to buy through Amazon. And this is really good for the body. Okay, I request you to eat fruits and nuts to maintain a healthy body and a healthy life. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this video useful, share it to anyone who's interested in nutrition and eating healthy food items for survival. Thank you so much.